Hello, assalamu alaikum, sat sri akal, kaise ho sab? Hope you're doing fine. This is Ali over here, and today's vlog it will be on a installation of a speaker on my MTV e-bike. So why don't you guys just see and get an idea if you're ever planning to install a big Bluetooth speaker on an e-bike, and I will walk you through what's the process, and I will also mention the pricing. If you are in Canada, or no matter if you are outside of the Canada, you can always just convert the price. I don't know about India right now what's the price, but in US that speaker is around $400. Yeah. So I'll walk you through their face expressions. It's kind of funny. I'm talking about is a waterproof, and it have a woofers inbuilt, and it's a dust resistant, so you don't have to worry about if you're traveling on a e-bike outside of your city, and you will face a dust and some kind of a mud, but pretty sure the speaker will handle it. And plus I have 2 years of insurance covered, so hopefully everything will be okay if something happens. Right, everyone. So, alrighty, हम हमारे बिल्डिंग के बाहर निकल गए. अब बाइक अनलॉक करके सीधा we are heading to e-bike store to install a rack. Then later on we will install the speaker. I will let you guys see how the speaker looks like. All right, we are here and अंदर चल के देखते हैं, इंस्टॉल करते हैं. Let's go and see. Hello brother, how are you?
Got everything in.
Yeah.
Nice. Good brakes. So you are filming your haul?
Yeah, all the way from home to here.
Just in case?
No, it's like for the YouTube channel.
Minutes on winter. You will need something more.
Yeah, so that gloves will stay for a 3 hours battery.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Alright, this is the stand we are installing for that speaker.
Did you bring the speaker?
Yeah, let's see the reaction of Luis, after he sees the speaker, how he's going to react. Here is the speaker.
My goodness.
This is fucking huge, man. Can I have a look, Luis? Can I have a look? Yeah. So this is the place where he do everything, the customization and all. So this is their own brand, BMG. These all. So these are like the same brand which I have, Surface, but this is called Hunter. Mine is Bar.
He's planning to use on this now.
Sorry?
You're planning to use the bike in the snow?
Yeah. Alright, I'll go ahead.
So what is the name of your channel?
My channel is Janaab-E. I'll type it.
Let
Yeah.
me just can you write here? So I have. You have. It's gonna be just YouTube or Instagram? as well?
Start with YouTube, then Instagram, then
Okay.
Reels, like that.
Now just YouTube. So I think. Just start a channel, a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
That's a great idea.
Yo. Yeah. Hope you like the video. If you like it, please subscribe it, share it, and comment down below if you have any questions. And yeah, so see you on the next vlog.